again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and welcome to the field. The Doctor of Exegesis is out in the field again with this fall 2019 update. It's been a while since my last video production. It's going to be a while for the next one, so you get an update, just a little bit about what's going on, what I got on the board. And I'm still working my murder case, and that's going to be down the road. It's really had a lot of twists and turns recently, and which are good. It's getting some traction, and I'm thinking that perhaps I may have something to do with that. And I had just released a series of 4 books concerning breaking the currency code, and I thought that the issue was pretty much closed, but no. My friend and colleague Paul Shafranca has jumped into the fray and made some astounding discoveries on his own. So that's where we're going with that, and I fear that there's going to be another episode, another book involved with breaking the currency code. And since it is 2019 and the fall, as the year comes to a close, I think I'm going to try to do this every year and just put out an update. So another thing I'm working on is a series where I'm going to be showing over 50 of my books that I have never shown anyone before, not in any of my videos. It's just these are extremely controversial books and periodicals, and I'm going to be putting them together for you. And as you know, we stay away from religion, politics, and trending news stories. But I'm going to be bringing out books from the 30s, 40s, 50s, on up to the late 90s concerning issues with government policies and politicians and such like that. But I'm not going to interject anything political. I'm just going to be showing you the old books, and you can make up your own mind. Just these really hardcore books where I'm going to show where these writers in the 30s and 40s and 50s, 60s, where they were accurately predicting the future and actually what came down the road later. And that's a hard book to write. You write a book that accurately predicts the future, you're in a league by yourself. Now, that's pretty much the crux of that. So just a little update to let you know what's going on, and God bless you, and peace out, brothers and sisters. Stay safe. Thank you. Let's get another shoot going. Come on, boy. We'll do another shoot. Okay, come on. Turn around. Come on this way. Come on. You ready? Let's go. Helios is such a ham. You coming? Helios, come on, boy. Come on, get in your position. Come on. Okay, you ready? Come on. Helios, come on, boy. Helios. Ready? Come on. Come on, boy. You coming? Helios, come get in your place. Come on. You ready? Okay, come on. Ready? Let's do our walk.